don't have my microphone on. I'm glad I realized that. Okay. Good morning. It is, I even feel like I sound better. It is Wednesday, December 21st. Nice job, Sam. All right, let's post this. Let's post this. Let's post this. Fast is in a long. Nice job, Sam. I broke that 16. It had a fake out. Didn't I talk about this? I talked about this on the student session the other night. I'm going to post that in the student corner right now. All right, so I didn't run fast the past few days. Where are we at? This green in this long. So it's green right now, $15. Oil is green, 1 for 1 for 300. Oil is green, 1,500 on the week. Yeah, 1,500 on the week with 1 mini. All right, we're in this long on fast. Sorry I was late today. I was on a call that couldn't wait. Like I got on the call at 9, but it was still happening until just now. So remember, the break-even offset doesn't come into play until we're $200 in the green. The pink had the right idea here, guys, but it just... So proud of you, Sam. So proud of you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, don't put that in there. All right, where are we at? Red, $35 on fast. All right, while we're not in a trade, let's look at this. This is our chop zone. So our chop zone, oh, also he didn't even say that, Sam. You didn't mention the chop zone. So we're in the middle of the chop zone, coming out to the bottom side here. And then we have the LIS. Again, the chop zone and the LIS are given to my members every single day. They're proprietary levels that you will not find anywhere else. And it's part of either the, whoa, look at that wick. The, look at this wick here on the NQ pink. So we were in this short before the open, and the scalper really knows what it's doing. So we can't control how it works. It came up here and it got stopped out for like $100 right before the open, like 2 minutes before the open. But do you see how perfect this was? Like it knew that the short was coming. It just ever so slightly touched the trail. So you easily could have gotten back in this. We were talking about that in the group. Like look at this box right here. You easily could have gotten short if you're one of my students below this 17 area. And I mentioned this level several times this morning in the chat with everyone, not just my students. So my students are very aware of that level. We're in $180. That on the fast. We're in a long for 200. So this is a guaranteed green trade now. You can see the stop loss moved itself up. So if it comes back and it hits that purple line, it'll be $75. All right. As you come in, please give a thumbs up, tap the screen, show you. Oh, there's like no likes in here. Show your support. Green 355 on this fast long. Remember, we are coming up to the holidays, so things are going to get a little slower. You know, make your money off the open and then kind of just be done for the day. There's no reason to force things into lunch like yesterday. We had a huge morning with scalper, and then lunchtime it got a little choppy. But most of my members know the things that we talk about in the group, and they were all green because they did not trade during the lunchtime. So, also, can we talk about how much better I sound? So I got a steroid last night, and I don't want to like jinx myself, but I'm already feeling so much better. And it was only my throat, so it's not like I was feeling like totally bad. So fast is green 135 right now, since you guys can't see it. I didn't run fast the past 2 days, so I'm going to have to do it on market replay because I ran slow on Monday, and then on Tuesday I think I ran slow too. Something like that. All right, so where are we in the grand scheme of things? Oh, what a surprise. We went to the chop zone in the LIS area and we bounced. We're still in the chop zone. I also have this fun little thing that I've been playing with. You know, gotta get the people guessing. 50, Marcus. So we're green around, on the most conservative setup, we're green like 55,000 on NQ, and it costs $1,000 to take one NQ contract, and then ES is green around, is it 40,000? And ES costs only $500 to take one contract. You don't have to run both. Some people just run one or the other, and some people run multiple. Like today, we're running NQ, ES, and oil. Oil's green 300 on the day, already 1,500 on the week. If you want more info, just email me, boltbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to back this up a little bit. All right, so this long is green 255. Again, this is a trail stop, so it will take me out when it closes beyond these two levels, and they both turn red. And this is my hard stop, which is in the green because it has a break-even offset. Good morning, good morning. Please hit that thumbs up button. Tap the screen if you're on TikTok. I appreciate it. All right, so it took profit there. The fast is green $290 now. See why Scalper knows better? So yes, this would have been a nice quick move to the downside and we probably would have grabbed a few $100s. But look how it came right back up. So, you know, the market might not be something we want to trust too much today going into the holidays the next few days. Definitely Thursday, Friday, I'm going to be probably reducing my sizing. It is Wednesday, December 21st. If you want to see more of these live streams, you can go to my YouTube. I go live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. All right, thanks for the follows, guys. So we are not in this short. We are green $290 on the fast so far since 9:30 a.m. Both. See, that's the thing, Mac Daddy. People love to limit themselves. Like in your brain, you're limiting yourself to only one thing. Why can't you do both? $290 and change people's lives at the same time. 8 trades, 62%. The biggest loss was $140. I think that's the thing that people that question the business don't understand. Like, why would you not want a successful business on top of a really strong system that you could also trade in addition to helping people? Like, there's 200 people in my group. 195 of them are making money pretty much every single day. And their lives are being changed. Like my one member has retired his wife from being a teacher because he's making 2 to 3K every single day. I don't cap. Yeah, okay, well, it's the truth. So I'm not really sure why you're on my live stream if you don't want to believe anything I say. Because clearly the people paying me every month believe me. Hence why they're in the group. No one's going to pay the amount of money I charge if you're not making money. Like, it's just plain and simple as that. Thanks, Carter. There's no payment plan. It's $500 for a trial period for the first 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Hi, Mo. And even someone like Mo, who's super conservative and taking very small sizing, he makes around $100 to $150 a day. Even $100 a day, like people think, oh, that's nothing. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. $2,000 a month is a lot of extra money to people. And after you pay the fees and commissions and mine, you know, maybe you're net with $800, $900 a month for just pushing one button. Okay. I think it's pretty easy to say that way. The minimum in your trading account needs to be at least $2,000. So when I talk about somebody making like $100 a day, that's somebody with a smaller account, like $2,000, $3,000. So this long is guaranteed green. We've already made $355 on this setup. Now it's $495. It does not work with cryptos. Oh, it works with crypto futures, but I don't think you should trade those because I actually tried it before and they're not liquid at all. They're like, well, at least a few years ago when I did it, the spread was horrible. No one's trading them. They weren't liquid. So we've made $495 on the fast, 10 trades, 70%. The biggest loss, again, was $140. And this is since 9:30, so it's been 13 minutes, and on one contract, I'm up $500. Thank you, Top Gun. Top Gun's in the group. Carter's in the group. You Conquer. Mo. Like pretty much most of the people in this, Jen, most of the people in this chat are already in my group. Yes, this is the NASDAQ 100. That is my main ticker that I trade every single day. Like that's my baby. I'm starting to feel like my throat is getting tight. I have to save myself because I have a 2-hour student session after this. So again, $495 on the fast. It's going to be done in a few minutes. This is something that just scalps at the open, and that's it. And then we move on to the other strategies. Also, we are peeking out of the chop zone here. I didn't even realize it. So this gray box is the chop zone. It's an area that I won't manually trade. Working my way up to the smaller amount needed. Okay. This is the NASDAQ. Everything is in US dollars. I'm in the US on the East Coast. Fast is in a short. Green, $100. How to join you. Yes, I go live every single day and they're all recorded on my YouTube. So you can go back and watch all of my recordings for the past 2 years on YouTube. If you want more information to join, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So had a little loss there. Now we're $430 since the open. And again, you could turn this off whenever you wanted. So the fast, again, is something just scalping at the open. See, it's getting a little chopped up now. Still 320 in the positive. So you could say when you were at $495, okay, you know what, I want to turn it off. That's good for me. I'm going to let the other algos run because we have a whole bunch of different algorithms. We have a whole bunch of different setups. So you don't have to just depend on one of them to like hit your daily goal or whatever it might be. If you have questions, just put them in the chat. If you appreciate, so Kent, I don't look at time frames. Again, this isn't manual trading. This is all fully automated. And if you're asking what charts do I use for my auto trading algorithm, I don't disclose that in the free streams. I do, however, as soon as you sign up, give you access to the settings spreadsheet. Excuse me. Uh-oh. All right, we're back up to 370 on the fast. Exactly. Dale said some algos are $50,000 buy-in and work. $1,000 a month is nothing. It's so true. It is so true. All right, it's 9:47. This is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader to use my algorithm. I also teach, so if you're not sure of what's happening and you want to learn first, That's also an option. All right, so fast is getting a little wild here. It's in this short. We'll see if it can turn around. It's 9:47, so fast is almost done. It's currently at 370 on the morning. And again, it started at 9:30, so 17 minutes ago.
Order canceled.
Yeah, so my discount is a steal. My trial of $500. You can see if you like it, and if you don't like it, that's fine. I totally understand it might not be for everybody, and you can cancel. It's month to month. There's no commitment. All right, NQ is pushing. Fast is at 225 for the day, and it's pretty much done. So you can see, excuse me, something like this is going to have losses. It's not just going to be able to win all the time. But that's why I say that people can easily say, oh, okay, well, I made this much. I'm happy with that. Especially once you see kind of the standard. You're like, oh, okay, like, yeah, can this make $1,000 in 15 minutes? Yeah, I can. But would you be happy with $500 in like 11 minutes, which is what we had today? Probably. It's in another short here. And this will probably be the last trade for fast.
Order canceled.
I feel like my chart is not aligned with the top here. I'm sorry. For my people on YouTube. I always have to remember about that when it starts like creeping up to the top. Thanks for the follows. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. I go live every day. All right, so fast is done. Well, okay, it literally has seconds. And then it's going to be done. It's green 200. So with no touching, we'll see what happens in this trade. It could give it back and then just be flat on the day. And again, we're going into the holidays. When schools are out, you need to be aware of the market. I know it's like, who cares? Kids are out of school. Like, no. When kids are out of school, a lot of retail traders stop trading because they're enjoying time with their family and they're traveling and they're doing things. So you have to be aware that that's an actual thing, which is why I already told my group earlier this week that I was going to size down or go to simulation on Thursday and Friday. So this is Scalper. Alex, you're not going to find it anywhere. I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader, so you have to have access, and I have to actually send you the file for you to be able to use it. And even then, like, I have to give you access within NinjaTrader. Oh, we might get a green trade on this last trade of Scalper. Fast on the Scalper. So I give like nicknames to most of the algorithms because then it's easier to remember them. So this one is fast, and it only trades at the open. And then we have like a conservative NQ. I know the other day people were like, what? Oh, Santa is in a short. Well, that might help with our fast too. Santa special. This is the first trade on Santa today. We're going to keep an eye. So this is Santa. Everybody loves this, so that's why I pulled it to the front. But fast is green, $140 on this short. We'll see if it closes itself here. All right, so fast is done for the day. It made $215. Santa is in that short still. So, oh no, Santa took itself out too. $120 loss. Sounds good, Jeffrey. I'll be here. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so fast is done for the day. $215 on the day. Santa is currently at -120. Look at this move off the chop zone. Yes, it is BLZ capital. That is very much true. So we were short on this NQ and we were short on the fast NQ. So those are not opposing trades. But yes, that is true. And that's something that I have to teach my members when they're new because they are not aware of that. You can be in one short and one long if you have two different accounts, or if you're doing like one on a micro, one on a mini, but correct. And I'm not sure if like the real word is illegal, but it is not allowed by the Exchange Commission. So they will essentially, because the way that you get into a trade is, but like say you're in a buy, the way that you get out of that is by using a sell. So it would essentially just exit you from the trade. Right. Well, no. Even I think but we don't trade different contracts. Again, this is the futures market. These aren't options. But if you're buying NQ right now and then I try to sell it, it will just exit me from the trade. I won't get like some error message saying you can't do that, because that's just how you exit a trade. They just are opposites of each other. So true, Jimmy. So true. What's HFT? Hi, Newfow. What's up? Ooh, we're coming back to this 52 level. This was a level yesterday we couldn't get through last night. Yesterday we got almost right up to it from the day before. Look at last night. Do you see this? Do you see this? And now it's doing it again. Oh, wait. Santa is green $250. Why am I not watching that? Sorry. Santa's in this short. Guaranteed green. Thank you. I agree. But if I constantly talk too much, then I feel like it starts to activate the feeling of a cough. They trade certain times of the day. They don't trade all day. Like, can they trade all day? Yes. But do I trade them all day? No. All right, we're green $500 on the Santa specials. All right, see how my voice starts to get cut up there? I got a steroid last night, so. But, oh, this is the funny part that I was going to tell you guys. I heard that the side effects of this steroid makes you very moody and then very hungry. Like insatiably hungry and also very moody. So I'm like, oh, great. That's just going to be me, but on 10 times what I normally am. So, like, I might want to avoid the group. For a few days. Good thing it's the holiday, right? Well, my family's gonna get it. Santa isn't short for $550. Go Santa, go Santa, go Santa. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you're probably cheering for Santa. You know what I was just about to say? I'm hungry. Good thing I have animal crackers. $650 on Santa. $810 on Santa. Santa's our man. If he can't do it, no one can. Oh, Darren liked my bread. Thank you so much. I gave a loaf to my parents and they loved it. My mom could not believe that I actually did it. What did Bill say? He was like, nothing like parents dismissing your work or something. Nothing says love like a parent's dismissing you. It's so true. My mom's like, you did not make this. Where did you get it? I was like, no, I made it. I saw a video on TikTok and I made fresh bread. Overnight bread. It was so good. Does your bot do auto trading? Yes, that's exactly what this is. Fully automated. It gets me in the trade. It moves the stop loss down. It trails the trade. All of this is done for me. I'm over here chatting with people in my group. So yes. And I know YouTube, you can't see what over here is, but I show people on my phone. All right, this comes up and closes green. It will exit the trade. Sometimes I have an extra setting where you can give it like an extra like bit of room before it fully closes it by just crossing. I don't sell them, but I lease them. If you want to talk about selling them, you can email me in proposition. Is that the right word? Green, $800 on this Santa short. Make sure you tap that screen. Send some likes. So, I'm going to be live. Well, I don't think it's going to change. I will be live the rest of the week, but I will probably size down Thursday and Friday. Friday, I'll probably be in simulation, honestly. And probably Friday in the group, I'll be, like, calling it a half day kind of thing. Like, I'll probably be signing off and spending time with family around lunch. Ooh. Oh, there's a report at 10 o'clock. I forgot about that.
Order canceled.
All right, so Santa exited. Santa is green, 355. Ooh, look, it's catching this long already. Hit the break-even offset on that. Green, $430 so far on Santa. We'll see if it crosses back down if we get the short. $430 on Santa. $215 on the fast. Fast is done for the day. The conservative NQ pink has taken one trade and it was like $100 loss. But it would have been a nice drop if it stayed in it, but it's no big deal. It dropped 40 points. So yeah, that would have been $800. We would have had a break-even offset at least. Aside from prop futures trader, you might turn me into a baker. Oh, yeah, Laura. I'll post it for sure. My mom said the same thing. She was like, send me the TikTok so I can do it. So there's a report at 10, so that just came out, and then there's another report at 10:30. So we're not currently in any trades. This is the Santa special, and it's made $430 off of 3 trades with 1 contract. Excuse me. It's flashing for a long. We'll see. Where are we at? Oh, we're still over the chop zone, but we haven't gotten through this 11,252. Like, we need to get up and over. It was flashing, but now it's gone. Thank you, Mark. So helpful. Every trade I put in $1,000. That's how much 1 contract of the NQ costs. You can find that information on the NinjaTrader website or on your broker's website of futures that you're going to trade. It's 10:02. I'm probably going to wrap it up soon. I want to save my voice. I have a 2-hour student session at 11 o'clock. So I'm probably going to go rest my voice for a little bit, so I'm not coughing like crazy. One after lunch, one after supper, and 2 before bed. And they say this causes insomnia, so why do they tell you to take the most amount of pills at bedtime? I don't know. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for joining. This was fun. Tomorrow is Thursday. We're getting closer to Christmas. And and next week I will probably be reduced sizing or simulation. Probably simulation. It's like hard to do that, but it's just safer for your account because the volume is so low the week after Christmas before the new year. But then the new year comes and it's, guns blazing as long as we get some nice volatility. So we'll see. Again, oil is 1 for 1 today so far. It was 2 for 2 yesterday and 2 for 2 on Monday. So oil is 5 for 5 on the week for 1,500. If you don't already follow me, subscribe, give a thumbs up, put that bell on so you know when I go live. I go live every day in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what that is, Ian. Oh, well, Santa might take a short here, so maybe I'll just hang out. But I can't keep talking. My throat hurts.
Order submitted.
I'm going to let this Santa trade play out, and then I'm going to be done for the day. Max, just email me and I'll give you more info. I'm going to post the bread TikTok in our group so you guys can have it. That's so good. I put out my story. It's delicious. Yay, Patrick. That's so exciting. I'm excited to have you. I don't really know why. See, this is why I don't just sit food on my desk, because then I'll just put it in my mouth. A shot that makes you... I don't know what that is, though. I still don't know.
Order filled.
Alright. Santa had a loss. It's still green. $230 on the day. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up here. This will still trade for a bit. My group will be updated. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Thursday around 9:15, 9:20. Thanks for joining. Bye. Bye, YouTube.